something that I learned from my dad, y'all, is to always keep your ears nice and clean, because my dad's like OCD clean freak, and I've always cleaned their ears with cotton. So this is dry earwax. Anyways, the reason why I came on here is to teach you guys about dry and wet earwax. This right here is dry earwax, okay? Normal dry earwax. Y'all gonna see the wet one soon. Hold on. Boy, I didn't say you have wet earwax. I said you have dry earwax.
Exactly.
Don't get slapped, okay?
Mommy.
All right, baby, come on. Let me put the flashlight on. He got hot breath, Mikey.
Ain't nobody got a hot breath.
Go ahead. Turn to the other side, boy.
You done this side?
Yeah. Come on. All right. We just did his hair. Make sure it's nice and moisturized.
I'm gonna get to doing my.
Come on. I gotta turn it. Oh, hold on. So normally I do this with a flashlight, y'all, so that way I can see deep in the ear and stuff. But for right now, I'm just doing like the outer corners. Not bad.
You didn't do it in my ears?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me turn the flashlight on. So his wasn't that bad. You see, like both sides. It wasn't that bad. I cleaned their ears like weekly. Now I'm about. This is dry earwax. Make sure y'all see that. Now I'm about to show y'all wet. Now wet earwax, you can see it right away, right outside the ear, right there. So you see like, and it's kind of dark. His is not that bad right now. But let me show y'all. So as soon as I go in, like that, you see that? That's wet earwax when it's dark like that. So dry is not. Oh, let me get one of those Q-tips, Nico, papi, please. Okay, so this is wet. You see how that is? This is normal because it's wet earwax. So I just wanted to show y'all the difference between wet earwax and then right there, the dry one. My middle child has wet earwax.
Chili, bro.
Nikito, it's normal, Nikito.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna finish cleaning out his ears so y'all can see how it looks like. Nene, how do you feel when mommy cleans your ears?
It's alright.
Do I dig in your brain?
No.
Okay.
This ear, right here, what you're doing, it doesn't hurt at all. It just always tickles.
Oh,
But then the
okay.
other ear, it's always like, aha!
It hurts?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, let me put the flashlight. So there's all the dirt, guys, out. You can see the difference between the dry and then the wet earwax. The wet earwax looks like doo-doo. But yeah, just had to show y'all the difference in case y'all didn't know.